Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for Apalachee Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ochlockonee River, Florida out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Ochlockonee River to Apalachicola, Florida out to 20 nautical miles until 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:34 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near marker 24 barge to 7 nautical miles south of St. George Island, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Severe thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until this weather passes.